Welcome to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot at startup funding and investing. The best time to start a new business is during a down market. Labor is plentiful. The competition is on their heels, yet customers are still looking for a solution to their problem. In a down market, it can be even more difficult to raise funding than an up market. The outlook is gloomy and uncertainty about the future hangs in the air. Here are key steps to raise funding in a down market. Bring your A game to the table. Show all values in the business, including a strong team and a large target market. Also show your key insights into the customer problem and your unique solution. Show initial interest and traction with customers, and highlight the robust margins in the business. Talk about the short timeline to break even. If your business requires a long timeline and has thin margins, rethink your business model. Investors look for robust margins and short runways to profitability. Show how the business is up and running and stable and can weather uncertain economic conditions. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start something today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.